Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in again. So today we are going to be covering the basics from foundation to concealer to contouring, and on the eyes I'm going to be doing a sunset inspired look. So if you want to see how I create this look, please keep on watching. I'm just going to start priming my face with the Essence Setting Spray, and then I'm going to get started on the brows, and I'm going to be using my Essence Brow Pencil, and this is in the color 02 Brown. I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Warm Honey to conceal my brows. I'm just gonna cover up any pigmentation or any marks on my face. Now we're going to do the eyes. I'm going to take my Switch Beauty Holy Grail Flash Case, and I'm going to use the yellow in the crease, and I'm just going to use this fluffy brush. Now I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics palette, and it was in collaboration with Rere. She is an American YouTuber, and I'm just going to take the color Spice and put it right underneath that yellow that we just did. Now on the crease, I'm going to take a sort of reddish color, and it's called Sunset, and I'm just going to put it all over the lid. I'm just going to go back into Spice and just to clean up the red, and then just blend everything together. Now we are done with the eyes. We are going to go into the base. I'm going to use my NYX Total Control Drop Foundation, and I'm going to use a stippling brush. Because I'm going for really bright under eyes today, I'm going to mix my concealer. So I'm going to use the LA Girl Warm Honey and also the Creamy Beige. Now I'm just going to set the concealer with my Yardley Absolute Translucent Powder. I'm going to contour my face using the Essence Contouring Palette. Now I'm going to use my Maybelline blush, and this is in the color 20 Brown. To highlight, I'm going to go back in with my Ray palette, and I'm going to use French Toast to highlight. So it's sort of like a brownish highlight. Trying something different because I always use like a pink or a goldish highlight. So let's see how this one looks like. It's pretty. So I'm going to take Allison, it's one of the eyeshadow colors, and I'm going to use it as a highlight to highlight the inner corners. Underneath the eyes, I'm just going to do what I did on the top, but in reverse. So I'm first going to start with the sunset color, which is the reddish color, and go underneath my eyes, then spice, then the yellow pigment. I'm just going to take the same highlighter and I'm going to highlight my collarbone, aka décolletage. I'm also just going to highlight under my brow bone using the eyeshadow color Allison. For the lips, I'm going to use Connie Transform Lippy, and this is in the color Contour. So I almost forgot to apply my lashes, but I'm going to use the Adele lashes, and these are in the style Wispies. Finally, we are done. So this is the complete look. Really easy, just 3 eyeshadows for the sunset look, and yeah, we are done. Please let me know if you guys prefer just me doing my eyes or me just doing my full face, the whole routine. I just want to give a subscriber shout out to Simatete. Thank you so much, girl. I love you. If you want to join the family, or if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the red button below, and also please click the bell so you're notified of every time I post a new video. And I love you guys so much. Thank you. May your day be ever flawless as your makeup.